Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2017 BMW X3. The point of our walk around is to be as transparent as possible, to show you all the things that we cannot show you in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights the features and options of the X3, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those, plus get a free CARFAX report, view the original window sticker, get some financing options, or get a quote to ship the BMW anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, we'll let you hear the engine running on the X3. Thanks again for joining us. Let's get to the walk around. All right, walking around the X3. As you can see, still good tread on the tires. This is to show you imperfections, but the only ones that are here are very itty bitty touched up chips that are very minor. You back up and you don't see anything. No scratches, no dings or dents. The finish is great. The wheels look fantastic. Really don't have much to show you, so I'm just going to breeze around and let you see the perfect finish on the X3. For 55,000 miles thereabouts, thing's in excellent condition. The luxury SUV is what you're looking for. This is one to consider. Let's look at the interior. All right, showing you what doesn't show up in our pictures, which in our case is the sunshade and headliner, which are in like new condition. So is the top of the dash. But if you have any questions at all about the interior or exterior condition or financing options, call Jennifer. Her number's on the screen at the very top.